Have you ever asked yourself how important SEO is to your real estate business? According to the National Association of Realtors, 97% of all home buyers use the internet in their home search. 76% of home buyers used a mobile or tablet search device in their home search, and millennials used mobile devices nearly twice as often as the baby boomer generation and older. And in case you did not know, SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. Simply put, this is the process of structuring online content in such a specific way that search engines like Google and Bing can find you. And in the past, this required a lot of skill: writing headers, creating backlinks, optimizing titles, descriptions, meta tags, and many other important tasks. You can leverage technology to simplify this process, avoid spending thousands of dollars each month on SEO services, plus you can create eye-catching and engaging content that gets noticed by the search engines. And you can do this in just a matter of minutes each and every week.